Welcome back to the Ohio Summer Auction House series. Since we live in Florida, we've only had 2 trips to the house to assess, demo, and clean up, so every minute counts. And this time, we finally uncover that weird room everyone's been talking about. First things first, the basement was wet and moldy. So my son and his friend tore up all the carpet, the padding, and half of the drywall off. Getting rid of the wet carpet and moldy drywall was essential for the air quality of this house. While they were busy doing that, Terry and I began the daunting task of clearing out all the rooms on the first floor. It all seemed so overwhelming, especially because we were in a time crunch. On the top of my list was this kitchen. This room probably took the longest to clean. Just removing the trash and clutter from the counters, the spoiled food from the cabinets and pantry, made the house feel hopeful and brighter. Next, I moved on to the half bath and the master bath just so we could use them. Cleaning this master bath was so satisfying because I love this tub. And now that I had these 2 bathrooms cleaned, I figured I would go ahead and clean the guest bathroom on the 2nd floor. We only had 2 full days to work on the house this first trip. The main garage is where we threw all the trash from inside and items we wanted to keep or needed to go through. Before we knew it, we were flying back to Fort Lauderdale, but feeling somewhat accomplished. Our next visit happened over Thanksgiving week, and we had more time to work on the house and more hands to help. We had a dumpster delivered so we could begin disposing of trash and getting rid of old furniture and unwanted items. Before families started arriving to help, I was able to get the dining and formal living room in decent shape. All the furniture was left behind in the house. My daughter and son-in-law came to help, and they were a huge part of us getting more accomplished. Terry's brother also flew in from Florida to help with the cleanup. With all the rooms cleared of junk, it was time to rip up the upstairs carpet, and we began filling the dumpster. Now it's time to reveal what's behind this wall. I had remembered seeing a loft in one of the house listings when it was for sale, but couldn't find it when we got there to do the walkthrough. And yep, that's right, here over the great room. So we opened the wall back up.
Hey, Mom.
Terry and Dale moved outside to clean up the back patio and some trash in the yard, just in time because it snowed a couple of days later. It's been about 15 years since I've seen snow. We got rid of almost all the trash bags in the garage and loaded up the dumpster. And it was loaded. One of the final tasks was cleaning out all of the junk in the basement. We were so exhausted at this point. What is this? What is this?
Looks like one of those old-fashioned refrigerators where you put the ice in the top. Kinda.
It's kind of cool.
Right?
Everything we carried up from the basement went to the second garage and will be disposed of next trip because we need another dumpster. Our next trip will be focused on painting and laying flooring in the master suite so we can begin to spend the nights here. We currently stay at my son's house when we visit, so it will be nice to have our own space and feel like we are not intruding on their family privacy. But for now, it's nice to share these family moments. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and click the bell for notifications of new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me today. There's always room for you at Nana Sherry's Nest.